Switching the legs. Yes, that's right. Gentlemen, it's very important things after the third plie changement. When you start to do your double tour, immediately think about the front leg going back and back leg going front. This is your turning legs. Switching the legs. Yes, that's right. You see how clean the fifth he has now. Because he's switching the legs and he's immediately turning in the position when he's landing. This is a very important for have a clean fifth in the end. If you are keeping the front leg there and turning like that and try to switch the legs in the end, it looks like very tight position. And this is not helps you for turn the hips. That switching helps you for turning your hip turning.